Film, theatre and television are among the fastest growing creative industries in the world. London is one of the world's most influential and creative capitals, offering varied opportunities and driving innovation at every level of the industry. At Regent's, our central location places you at the heart of it all. Here, talent is just the beginning. We equip you with the connections, insight and collaborative skills needed to bring stories to life. You'll learn directly from Oscar nominees and BAFTA winners and gain real industry exposure through our partnerships with Abbey Road Studios, Aesthetica Short Film Festival, Epidemic Sound, London Screenwriters Festival and Spotlight.
My name's Andres Merker and I'm studying acting for stage and screen. The course has definitely lived up to my expectations. I think in some cases it has exceeded them. Something that really stood out for me is some of the workshops that we get here at Regent's. A few weeks ago we had a workshop with an Oscar nominee writer. We've had heads of theaters and heavy industry titans come give talks and workshops, and that's been really useful. I'm not just graduating with a degree, I'm also graduating with several opportunities that I've received thanks to the contacts and the education that I've developed here at Regent's.
Through our unrivaled connections, our industry-informed teaching and our small class sizes, you'll connect with big names in the sector, as well as inspiring graduates who have worked on productions including Kneecap, 1917, The Crown, Vigil, The Devil's Hour, Nautilus, as well as those who work for organisations like Netflix, Amazon, Disney, BBC, Sony, Sky and NBC.
My name is Hannah Seligman and I studied screenwriting producing at Regent's University London, and I graduated in 2021. My time at Regent's did play a part in securing my first role because my producing teacher, Jack Tarling, he had made the film God's Own Country, which is a film that Picture House Entertainment ended up releasing into cinemas. So because I got to learn from Jack and had that on my CV, that was the thing that secured my interview later on. The international nature of Regent's University London really prepared me for working in the industry because I had to get, not used to, but have the exposure to people from all over the world. And when you work in film, you are not going to be working with people from one country, you're going to be working in a super international environment. So that was a really big benefit about going to school here.
At Regent's, you'll join a creative community unlike any other, where students from different disciplines work closely together every day, reflecting how the industry operates in the real world. You'll train in professional spaces on campus, from TV and podcasting studios, edit suites, sound design and colour grading suites, to ADR suites, using industry standard equipment. Through live projects, productions and internships, you'll engage directly with industry, gaining hands-on experience with new technology and current practices. Throughout your studies, you'll take part in a range of field trips, exploring everything London has to offer, and hear from regular guest speakers. In the past, we've welcomed Noel McCann, writer of the hit BBC series Blue Lights, Jack Tarling, BAFTA-winning producer of God's Own Country and Kneecap, Stuart Sutherland, multi-award-winning film and TV producer, including international hit Killing Eve.
Hi, my name is Stuart Sutherland. I studied International Business Administration here at Regent's, and I'm now the CEO of Celtic Entertainment, a film production company based in London. What I'm looking for when I'm hiring candidates is people who understand film, and then people who think outside of the box. And I really feel that people who are creative, as well as people who have some business savviness, are the people that I've seen in the industry go far.
Whether you're pursuing film, acting or screenwriting, Regent's equips you with the academic skills, industry experience and professional network to succeed in today's competitive creative sector.